Welcome back to Campus Tech. Every week, at least one or two customers are asking for that, how they can change their font size. So it's very easy. So just go into the setting. You'll see this is go further down. You'll find this is the display and brightness. Just click on it. So you'll find this is a text size. So look at this. This is the text size, and when you just make larger, it keep going up, bigger and bigger. So that's the largest, and that's the smaller one. So this is the middle, the standard one. But when you just turn on that bold text, so just turn on, you will see all text are bold now, so you can is very visible now. And when you go now into the large text, you can see even more comfort, because a lot of people have some eye issues or they want a bigger text. So that's for them. Thumbs up if you like that video. See you in the next video.